Welcome once again to another microbrand unscripted. Well, decidedly unscripted. I just, you know, forgot to remove the microbrand or whatever. This is what we're going to unbox today. This came in very late. Actually, the brand owner sent me this like a couple of weeks ago. I don't know why. I don't know why the customs here is very relaxed and took their time. Oh, Zelos. Wow. I'm sorry. That's an overreaction there. Obviously, I'm not an actor. Okay, so give me a break, right? But I did bust your eardrums there for some reason, so I guess we're even. Another Zelos unboxing, and this one is a little bit more special than most. There we are. As you can see, ooh, number 2. Okay, that matters a lot. Well, to the Zelos fans out there in the Zelos timepieces, Zelos timepiece or timepieces Facebook group, that actually matters. And most collectors would actually hunt down, and even there's a page that lists down all of those serial numbers, so don't underestimate that. So again, before we unbox this, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this Zelos that we're going to unbox. The good comments will make it into the actual video review that I'm going to make in the next few days. Next few days. This is going to be launched in 2 days, and I'm just unboxing it. I need to shoot it tonight and then do some editing for the next few days and dubbing to make it into for the launch. But it's very likely that I won't make it to the launch, so pardon to all the Zelos fans out there. But I hope that this unboxing would give you a little bit of comfort and solace. You know, whet your appetite for a little bit. Anyway, here we are. It's the Nova. Of course, I mean, like, is that any surprise at all? It's the new Nova 37mm. It is a new hand-wound Nova from Zelos. And you've probably seen some of the Novas out there, Nova reviews. Some YouTubers are already onto that. But this one is a little bit special because this is the Tantalum Nova. Look at that. Okay, this is the first time I'm handling anything Tantalum. And they say there's a little bit of a bluish, purplish hue to it, and I can see that. There's a little bit of that here. And what I could immediately feel is that this is a little bit heavier than usual, and that, oh, look at that aventurine. That is just spectacular. Look at that. And with that meteorite portion of the dial, is a great dichotomy to that Zelos aventurine. Really gorgeous. And this is also a hand-wound movement, as you can see there. Decently striped, very nice, and you know, look at that polished case back frame. Very nice touch there. Let's put it on our wrist. The leather here, can I smell it? Okay, it's not as fragrant as the Charles Barrett, but it's a good leather hunter bracelet. Strap, hunter strap. Nice Zelos. Is this actually tantalum also? I need to check that. But it does feel heavy and really solid compared to it. And look at that. Nice, very nice. Look at that. Very thin. Very thin. And we can actually compare that to one of our 60/30 chronographs here. Of course, these 60/30 chronographs will be launching globally in the next few weeks. And this one is already on sale in Indonesia. And look at that. Look how thin the Zelos Nova is. This hand-wound movement feels very nice. Very smooth, actually. I was expecting a little bit more clicks there, but that's a lot smoother than I expected. And there it is, the Zelos Nova Tantalum version, the first ever Tantalum case or Tantalum anything that this channel has seen. And comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. And again, your good comments, even trollish comments, make it into the video review because, you know, I have nothing to do and I just like willing myself to make all of these videos for you. You should be thankful. You should be grateful. Okay. Missing coffee here.